So today's lecture is about PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, we see in short we call it as PPT. Okay, PowerPoint in short we call it as PPT, right? So this is introduction to PowerPoint. You have different things here in PowerPoint. So this subject we are studying for 101, introduction to computers. Okay, to computers. So see here, this is the options where you can add the slides. This is slide number 1. Right click and take new slide. This is your slide 2, or you can have the option of selecting the slide from the top. Slide 1, slide 2. Okay. Now for this slide 1, you are going to select the layout title slide. So you have already selected the title slide. This and this two things you got in title slide. And now for slide 2, you have selected, automatically it will come title and content. The above one, click and add title, and this below is your content slide. Okay, so title and content slide for this from second slide onward. First slide is only title slide where you have the title of the slide and some introduction. Then you have title and content slide. Then you have different types of layout such as section header, two contents, you have comparison, you have title only, you have blank, you have content with caption, you have picture with caption. Okay, so basically we are using three or four slides. One is the title slide, another is title and content slide, then section header we are taking title only and blank. These are the few slides we are using mostly, right? Now we see how to apply designs to these slides. So you have to go to the section design. You can see here design and select any one design for your slide. So all these slides, if you have selected this, so this design will be applied to all the other slides in the section C. The first one is this, or else you can take this one. The first slide coming like this, second is like this. Okay, so you can select any one design. So I'm selecting this, for example, introduction to PowerPoint. So this is slide 1. Okay, so you have the option of changing the colors here. Okay, you have the option of changing the colors to this. You have the option of changing the effects. You have changing the font. Okay, see font also you can change from here. Now you can change the colors for this. So light changes that you can see here in this slide. The first slide you have taken this. The second slide will be in the same form. Okay, third slide if you take slide 3, it is also same. Now what I want to do is I want to change the second slide. I don't want to use the same design. Slide 1 I have taken this design. Slide 2 I want to change the design. Slide 3 I want to change the design. For that you have to go and in between the slides here and select this. Whenever you see this line, this is called section line. Can you see here? There is a line blinking, black color line in between two slides, that is called section. When you click that, it is blinking, means you are creating a section. So for that reason, go to home, here section, add section. You have to create here add section. So now you have added a section here. Can you see slide 1 is in one section, slide 2 is in another section. So from when you create the section, you can change the design of the slide. See here how to change the design. Select this and for example take this design. Add a new slide in this section and change the design for this. Here you can say collapse all section, means there will be no section in between. Default section is 1. This is remove section. You can pencil. Here you have options, slide 2, okay, remove section. So this is a default section. See here, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. In between you can click here, section, add section, okay, and reset the slide. You can have here for this slide only design. You can delete the slides from here. Right click, delete. Right click, delete. Okay, right click, delete. So adding a slide like this, deleting a slide like this. Okay. Now for creating the section in between, you have selected now add a section. You have selected this. Now design. See, this is one design, this is another design, or you can say this is this design. Can you see here? First slide is this, or you want to change the slide for this. Okay, you can change it like this. For example, I will take that design 1. Slide 1, this design. Slide 2 is this. Now I will take another new slide. Slide 3. See again carefully. Slide 3 is this same design of slide 2. Okay. Now I want to change the design of this slide. So you have to click in between here. Now the section is activated. After the section is activated, go to home. Here section, add section. When you say add section, section has come here. Now select this slide. Okay. Now you can select this slide. Select this slide and go to the design and change the design of this. See, or you can change any other design for this. Select any other design for slide 3. Slide 3 is of another design. So you have created 3 slides with 3 different designs. So how to add a different design to the slide? Just create section and choose the design. Now you have taken the title and content slide. Here we see how to insert picture. Insert picture is same as how you insert a picture in Word. Okay, insert a picture, take the picture from here. Okay, picture 1, picture 2 is already saved. So take this. You have taken a picture. You can apply the border, and this is the border you can apply here. You have different types of borders available here. You can apply this. So I am selecting this one. Okay, this is a frame for this. Okay, now slide 2 is completed. Insert picture. How to insert pictures in a slide. Now here insert shape. Insert shape, same like the word. Go here, insert. Here you can select shapes. Okay, you can select any shapes which you require. Okay, you can select this shape, or you can select different shapes. You can select the shape. Okay, then you can select any shapes. Then you can change the color of this from here. Color fill, change to some color of your choice, like this. Color fill. See, this is color fill. Change the color, your choice. This is color fill. Change the color to your choice. Okay. Even you can change the color of this borders. See, border is this. You can change the color of this to some green, right? You can color change the color of this border to dark green or anything which you like. Here, it's up to you which color you want to change. This is insert shapes. Okay, if you want, you can make it a little bigger. Okay, you can make a little bigger. This is how you can insert the shapes. Now we'll take a new slide, slide 3. See, when I take a new slide, I have not created a section here, so it will continue with the same design of slide 3. Okay, if you want to change the design for this slide, again what you have to do, click here in the center, you will see a black line, go to the home, create a section, add section. We have created the section. Now you can change, select this slide and change the design of this slide. For example, you can change the design for this slide as this. You can select. No, this is not good. We'll take some good design. Okay, this slide. See, 4 slides we have created and 4 different designs we have selected for the design. This is one design, this is another design, this is another design. Otherwise it will come for all the slides, it will take the same design. So create a section and you can change the design for the slides. Okay, now we have seen insert shapes, we have seen pictures. Now we will see smart art. Smart same as what we have done in the insert smart art, insert smart art from here. Okay. This we have seen already in the Word. When we were doing Word, you have seen this. So I will take this one. Okay. So this is what we have taken. You can choose, take it little down, make the size, adjust the size because you can adjust the size of this. Okay, here you can write the top, center. This is how we can add in smart art to the slide. Next, take a new slide. The design is automatically coming here. I will not change the design from now onwards. Okay, so go to chart, insert chart, insert chart, insert column chart. Okay. So here go to insert. This is the column chart you have selected. So column chart will be coming here. Now this is the data for this column chart. Whatever you are seeing here, it is the data for the column chart. You can edit the data here, like what you have done in the Word. Okay, you can edit the data. So close this. See, you have created a column chart with the data. Whatever data is given based on the table, insert the data here. You will get the column chart for this. Next, new slide. Screenshot is also there. You can have a screenshot from here. Okay, so insert screenshot. This is same what we have done in. This is the same thing what we have done in. See, directly you are taking the screenshot of this and you are putting it here. Whatever we are doing, the same thing we are putting it here. Screenshot of the desktop, whatever screenshot you have, or if you want the desktop, go there and take the screenshot from there and copy and paste it here. So this is your screenshot. Next is add a new slide. Okay, you have seen home, you have seen pictures, tables. Tables is also very simple. You can insert any table from here. Okay, the table will come here. Then clip art, screenshot, photo album, shapes, smart art, chart. Now a text box, you can insert a text box how you have inserted in the word, same. But the important thing here is header and footer. Insert header and footer with the date and time. So this is header and footer. You want a fixed header or you want to change. So update automatically you have to keep in the header and footer only you are writing slide number and footer with your name. Okay? In the footer you are writing your name. Okay, and here click don't show it on the title sheet, apply to all. See here, Muhammad Mohsin Ahmed, it is coming 5th October 2020, and this is your slide number. Don't show it on the title sheet, yani the first sheet, it will not show on the first sheet. Okay, you can see this is your first sheet, the number will be not shown, the header and the footer will not be shown. See here, here it is coming. Okay, based on different slide designs it will come date, name and slide number. Date, name and slide number. So now slide number 7 is your insert header and insert header and footer. Okay, so footer, write your name, the name, slide number, date. Okay, select the date also, current date. You are doing it here. Next is new slide. You have word art. Okay, with word art you are going to write the name of the university. Okay, select any one word art, this one. So here you will write college, university. Okay, you can make it short here. See, when you make it short, it is going down. So you can change the color of this from here. Okay, you can select any other color for the line outside this, or directly you can choose any of the different word art which are available here. Okay, so it's up to you, whichever you want. So I'm selecting King College University. This is your word art. Now take a new slide. We have seen slide orientation, we have seen the designs, we have seen color, font, effect, then we have seen insert picture, table, screenshot, shapes, smart art, chart, text box, same as the word I told you, header and footer, word art just now we have seen date and time, directly it is coming onto the slide here, slide number, this is also coming. Okay, these are the equations what we have inserted same as it is in the form of in the what you have inserted the equation in Word, same equations you are going to insert here by using the same thing. See here, or you can select here new equation and you can insert the equation. Then you have symbols, you have video, you can insert a video in this. So I don't have a video downloaded here, so if you have a downloaded video you want to put it in the slide, you can click it here, video from the file you have to select. So whatever video you have here from my videos, it will take. So I don't have any videos here, so videos are not coming. If you have a video, you can directly insert a video. If you have audio, you can insert the audio from the file. Okay, so you have to go to the music and then you are going to insert it from the files. Okay, so you can insert audio, you can insert video, right? So this is about designs. This also we have seen the different types of designs, different types of font, colors, we have effects also. And now the important part in transition. Transition, I said you, it is movement of the slide. Movement yani haraka. How it will be, see, I will for the first slide I will select one for this. For example, I will say push, the slide will come like this. This is called transition, harakat. Okay. For first slide, I have applied a transition. It is showing here in the form of a star. So this is, you can see, transition I have applied to slide 1. Now slide 2, there is no harakat. So I will take slide 2 as this split. This will come slide 2. Now you can see a star mark here. Now slide 2 is also having harakat, that is transition. We'll go to slide 3. You have different types of harakats here. You can see dissolve. Okay. Slide 4, we will go to slide 4. Put another transition for slide 4, such as random bars. Okay. Then slide 5, shapes. Okay. You can here adjust the duration. It will be very slow. Okay. Slide 5. Now slide 6. We'll say clock like this. Slide 7. We'll say flip. Slide 8. There will be box. Okay. Box. Now slide 9, I did not add anything here. I will add some information and then I will put a transition. Now I will change the layout of this slide and take it as a blank. See here, I will take a blank. Okay. And I want to change the design of this slide. So how to change the design of this slide? Select the section, go here, add section. You have selected a section. Now for this slide, change the design of this. Okay. So select any one design which you like from here. For example, I will take this one. Uh, some different color I want to take it. Okay, I will take this. Okay, now the design I have changed. Now I will add some information, insert word art, and I will say here thank you. Okay. This is your last slide. Okay, so I have created slide number 9 as this. Now I will make transition for this slide. So the transition will be doors. You take doors. Okay. So the first slide, what is the transition I have taken? We will change the transition for the first slide as zoom in. Okay. Now you have seen now transition. You have seen home, insert, design, transition. Now we have the option of animation. Before going to the animation, I want to show you the slideshow. So you can see the slideshow by just pressing F5 from your computer keyboard. Okay, F5, or you can go it from here. Okay, from the beginning, or you can start from here. See, this is the slideshow. Next, press the arrow key. With harakat, it will show you. Okay, see, this is the slideshow you have created. Smart insert chart. See, for all the slides you have taken different transitions, so it is showing you different transitions. Okay, insert header. See, word art, the last slide. Okay, this is about the transitions, and I have shown you the slideshow. So slideshow, you can see it from the beginning or from the current slide, right? You can start from anywhere. So two options of seeing the slideshow. One is from your keyboard. Just press F5. You will see the slideshow, or go to the slideshow and say here from the beginning. You have two options. Okay. Now the last topic what we see here is Animation is very important. See here. Now I will select this 101 hal. Here the harakat to the text khat mafi slide. Harakat to sharia yani slides are called as transition. Okay. Kullu slide has a harakat transition. Now just khat was. Khat has a harakat as an animation. Okay. Here you can see appear. This you can see as appear, or you can fly in. Fly in, you can see it will be good. Fly in. You can increase the duration, you can increase the delay. Okay, so first one is your harakat for this. Okay, now I just want to show you F5. If I press F5, you can see this has come. Now press any key, you will see this one coming like this. This is animation. Okay, animation to the text. Now just see here, I will add animation to this one, to the picture. I will add an animation like wheel. Okay, wheel is good. Wheel, see, it will come like this. Next is, this is fly in, I will take. This is float in, I will take. Okay, and this I will take it as appear. Okay, now we will see five. First one, see, second, when you press, it will come. Third, when you press, it will come one shape. Another time you press, second shape. Third time is appear. Okay, now up to here you have applied the animation. Now we applied the animation to this one. You can apply to any text or anything you can apply. You can say okay like this, or for this one you can say like this. We have different types of animations. Here you can have spin, grow and shrink, accurate, darken, transparency, or sway, zoom, bounce, split. Different types of animations you have. So you can take fade. Fade is good for this one. Next, take this. Select all the three and put one animation. You can put like this. Number is changing now. The last one is this. You take this and underline like this. This is animation. The last one is thank you. For thank you, you can select. For thank you, select this one. Grow and turn. Okay. For all the slides now, I have given the animation as well as the transition. I will press F5 to check whether it is working or not. First slide, this is the animation, introduction to computer. It is coming with the animation. Second slide, this is the transition. Now if I press it, this is animation. What you are seeing is the animation. The picture appears in the form of animation. Third slide, this is transition. Now animation. If you press again, one shape has come, shape 2, shape 3. Okay, this is by the help of animation. Now you can see here, this is animation. Word is moving. Now this is the animation for the pyramid. It is changing the color. So this is animation. Two animation, different types we have used. Now this is animation. This is also the animation. Now the color will change here. See here, we have name, slide number, date. This is animation. Now animation is line. So line is coming, another line is coming as an animation. The last one, last slide will come in the form of transition. Now animation. Thank you. So this is how you are creating a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so you have different things you can do it. from slide 1 to slide 9 I have created. So slideshow is to check how the slides are moving. Okay, now the view. You have translate, language, spelling, then you have view. You can create the video for this. Okay, you can create a video for this, right? So this is enough for today's class. You can create a video for this also, right? That we'll see it in the next class. So if you have any questions, you can ask me now.